Thank you for attending the fact-finding session and question and answer. Today we're going to go over some of the things that UNC Charlotte and the Graduate Admissions Office are doing for applicants and admitted students in response to COVID-19. If you have any questions during or after the presentation, you can email us at gradcounselor@uncc.edu and we'll be happy to. The Graduate Admissions Office, along with many other offices on campus, is operating remotely until further notice. We are still accepting applications for the summer and fall semester, just as we would under normal operations. Some deadlines may have passed, however, programs may be willing to be flexible with interested students, given challenges that the current situation has presented. We encourage you to contact the graduate program director with specific questions about deadlines. Applications are still being processed and reviewed remotely. Please many required documents in the application when you're applying as possible. So this would include transcripts, statement of purpose, recommendations, and things like that. We are able to add additional transcripts, and you can send them to us electronically to gradcounselor@uncc.edu. We'll also require that you send us your test scores electronically. If you're unable to do this, just notify us at gradcounselor and we'd be happy to help. Finally, if your application is complete and ready for review by the program, you can contact the graduate program director for more information on when you can expect a decision. For applicants who are unable to take the GMAT or GRE due to COVID-19, we encourage you to check the program website to see if they have waived the test for all 2020 applicants. Some master's programs, like those in the Belk College of Business, have waived exams for all applicants for the summer and fall of 2020. If your program has not done this, you can still contact the graduate program director to see if they may be willing to give you a waiver. If this is not offered, the GRE, ETS is now offering an at-home GRE, and more information is on our website. If you're a student who needs to take an English language proficiency exam, we are now accepting Duolingo with a minimum score of 105, and ETS is offering an at-home TOEFL exam. More information on these tests is available on our website. Finally, if you need to move your application to a future term, you can fill out a form and that will be available. For admitted students, we're closely monitoring new developments with COVID-19 as they arise. We understand that you're eager to have your questions answered so you can start planning for your first semester. What we know now is that summer 2020 is completely online and remote. A decision has not yet been made about fall. Some programs may be offering online classes for the fall semester for students who are unable to make it to campus. There will be more updates for this soon. Students should continue to check their UNC Charlotte email and the application portal for updates. Admitted students are not required to submit the final official transcript before classes start. So once you receive your decision letter, if you see in your portal that you're missing this and you're not able to send it to us electronically, don't worry, and you can bring it when you arrive on campus. Finally, if you're not able to attend or start classes for the semester that you applied for, you will have the option to move your application to a future term. Just note that your application will need to be re-reviewed for admission, and you are not guaranteed to be accepted. More information for international students. We understand that due to closures and shutdowns, it may be difficult for you to get documents needed in order to start the visa process. The International Student Scholars Office is still issuing I-20s if they have the required documentation. And if you have any questions about that process or deadlines or what that looks like, you can contact the International Student Scholars Office, and their email address is right there. If you have any questions, you can contact the Graduate Admissions Office at gradcounselor@uncc.edu with any questions. Or you can visit our website at gradadmissions.uncc.edu. Thank you.